The ultimate Father's Day gift guide for the tech-savvy mover and shaker dad. Father's Day is the perfect occasion to celebrate the tech-savvy dad who is always on the move and loves staying connected with the latest gadgets. Here's a gift guide we put together featuring innovative and practical gifts that cater to various interests, from pet care to gaming, ensuring there's something for every dad. For the tech-savvy dad who loves his pup, the Halo Collar 4 makes an exceptional Father's Day gift. Developed by renowned dog behaviorist Cesar Millan, this smart collar lets dads create a virtual backyard anywhere using the Halo app. No traditional or buried fence required. Ideal for dogs of all sizes, it features a sleek, lightweight, and custom-fit design, along with a dual-frequency active GPS antenna for pinpoint accuracy, even in dense urban areas or spots with poor signal. Plus, it includes access to Cesar Millan's industry-leading training program right in the app. The Halo Collar 4 is available for $549 at halocollar.com, Amazon, Chewy, Walmart, and Scheels. This Father's Day, celebrate the tech-savvy dad in your life with one of these thoughtful and innovative gifts. Whether he's into pet care, music, gaming, security, or staying connected, there's something here to make his day special. And if you want help finding smart devices that make good Father's Day gifts and are compatible with Dad's other smart home tech, use the GearBrain Assistant. Our smart home compatibility find engine can help you find, buy, and connect any smart device. It can even help you find other smart devices or systems compatible with your existing smart devices, such as Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa-enabled devices.
Go to GearBrain for more information.